What do you call them? Whores, wasn't it? That's a scared fish. Oh, trying to stop it, okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh, right, you want to go to the back of the boat, do we? I'll let you do that. You can clear it then. Sounds like Nick. Wind. Let's come back, is it? Okay. They're going to spin around, are you? Okay. So winding and slack in. I'm going to give it some welly. Where's the big float then? Oh, you've taken it off, didn't you? Of course you have. I think it's a stopper. No. Yeah. Any fish at the moment is quite happy. Today's a better day than yesterday so far already, so it don't really matter. We're ahead of schedule. And we're 3 turtles up. It's a ninja turtles. We only need one more. That was good as well now, is it? Okay. Get in there. He's going to try and go mouth run, or he's going to have a splash. He's just wheeling away from that engine. You got me wet, and you wet. It's got you wet? Yeah, it's got you wet. Yeah. That's true. Yeah. Oh, right, I didn't realise that. Okay, sorry. Oh, okay. And what? Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, right. It's a reaction, okay. Okay. That's why it snapped straight away, didn't it? Right, I'll give it a real good jerk. So one is slacking. Hold on. Undo that bit. Not a lot of luck, are we? Not a lot of luck. We're going to get you, don't worry about it, fella. You better be a big puppy. A big mama puppy. Read him up. Yep. Buttons engaged. Got it free. I can't. Yeah. Just make sure you stay under your fucking piece of toilet. Sure it's not a turtle. It's a small one though, isn't it? So if it's a big one I won't be able to turn it, will I? In with my arms. Hybrid? What's made with a long nose? Okay. A different coloration? This is so much more, yeah. 25? Maybe, yeah, not even that, maybe. Play yourself. Yeah, that's good. He's away from the tree stump, look at it that way. That's all that matters, he's away from a tree stump, that's good. Oh, we're actually steering a boat. Come on, big fish. Not little fish, not in a cardboard box. It's not chips. I'll just pull that bit in there. There you go. Oh, he's knotted up there, isn't he? No, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Take the slack off. Whoa. You want it back? Too late. He's on. Oh, that's a proper fish, isn't it? Nah. I turned him too quickly. Oh, hopefully he's still on there. Alright, now we can get him in. Let's get away from that tree stump. That's a baby again. Oh fuck, no, I didn't even look. Sorry for that. I never realised it was on there. We ain't snapped tonight, have we? Okay. And he threw the bait. What a wanker. Here we go. Nick, Big Fish Peat. He's on another one. You think it's a turtle? Yep. Oh, result. Oh, it is. It's the one I was thinking about. The one with nasty mouths. Oh, that is awesome. Fuck my old boots. Fucking hell. Hey, take your arm off. Easy.
Oh, he's bad.
Yeah. How heavy do you reckon he is then?
Oh, he's fucking big. I'll show you this. I'm going to bring him over.
That is unreal. Fuck my old boots.
He's a big bastard, I can tell.
That is, he's trying to bite through the line. I can't, it's wire trace, isn't it? Okay. Wow. You said turtle was going to do that. That is a big one. 30, 40 pounds?
Fuck, no. This fucker's over 100 pounds.
Oh, okay. Skeleton.
Where do you see how fucking big
You can't see the depth of it.
Yeah, there's that bit. Fuck my old boots. Oh, go for it, fella. Good job, Kirk's a big lad. Good job. Good job, Kirk is a big lad.
You got your button pushed? Yeah. Yeah.
He's wrapped up, man. He's wrapped up around the legs and stuff. Wow. Look at that.
You can kind of calm them down when you lay them like that.
Yeah, they do have heels and stuff like that on the bed. And sharks. Put on their belly.
Stop, you fuck.
Do you want me to hold the tail?
No, I gotta bring him in.
Oh, okay. I'm moving him out of the way. Whoa! Look at this one. He's going for everything and anything.
This is the only turtle in the world, I think, that you can hold right here behind the head.
Okay.
He cannot bite you.
Okay.
He cannot get around. That turtle's
Okay,
probably
now.
130 pounds.
You reckon? So
Fuck
it's
yeah.
all skeleton. It's all
You should
skeleton.
pick him up. Just pick him up.
He says, we've got a turtle on, boys and girls. Check this out. Okay. I can feel something here. I can feel him. Yeah. That's what I went to shore, didn't it? Here it comes. It's like the monkeys. Here it comes. Walking down the street. Got the funniest love song. But what we meet? Oh, he's in the foot. Yeah, oi, oi, you get me wet, fella. He's doing breaststroke. You carry on, fella. You do it by yourself. You got plenty of experience. I've got none. Where's my camera? Get my camera for us. Nicky Palmer. Looked it. Yeah, as I say, I'm not sure I think he's slightly bigger than the other one, isn't he? We'll know in a minute. Tell me you've got some free food in here. Oh, what's that? Plastic spoon. Oh, his claws are sharp, aren't they? And we got the softest flesh on the planet of any animal we have. We're easy. I'll stand over here and all.
Like a Goliath tiger too.
Yeah, they're nasty, aren't they? They look nasty anyhow. That one's bigger. That one's a lot bigger. Okay, I've got them, just carry on videoing it. And then the bottom one takes pictures.
Okay. Yeah.
No, it's wide, this one's a lot wider. Yeah, I know, you fucker. Just press the video's going by itself. It should be counting down. Take it off the beard. Take it off the head. Take it off the beard. God damn. Fuck it.
You want to try, Nick? Go on, put him down. Okay.
Fucking hell. This is just exciting to get a big fish. He's fucking heavy though, isn't he?
He's got me foot with his claws. He's got your foot with his toes.
Check his mouth out. Yeah, don't look this way, mate. Go back in the water. Go on, sod off.
Watch him, Nick. Don't let him get to your leg.
Okay, quick picture.
Oh, okay, yeah, cool.
Turn him around, Nick. Put the face down towards you.
Do what?
Keep going, Nick. Keep turning.
I'll do it that way around, it'll be easier.
Yeah, there you go. Now, yeah, you gotta
get rid of this son of a bitch.
Heavy.
Up it.
I'm gonna turn this way. Now I can see. Bring his head around to me. Okay, there's Mickey with his big turtle. Big fat turtle. That's probably 130 pounds. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture now.
Ooh. I'll move out your way. See, it was another fish.
Well, it might have been, but
Okay, you doubt it. Well, you're the expert. You got better judgment than I have, that's for sure.
it's pretty good.
Yeah.
You can get in a tree on you.
Yeah.
While you're fighting him.
Yeah.
I'd rather have him in the boat and let him look at us then.
Good answer.
Playing with him out there in the water.
Yeah, love it.
God damn.
Well, he's shown a good fight, this one, isn't he?
He's got a good fight.
He's hooked well.
He may not be the one Nick wants, but he's fighting good. Maybe he's hooking the booty hole.
In the booty hole.
I told you he was here. I've seen you.
He's standing wait for us at the moment.
Yeah, just giving Nick false hope.
He's in that 25 to 70 pound range, isn't he?
Yeah. Giving Nick false hope. He's a mean son of a gun.
Yeah, I don't know, I don't want to get wet.
Yeah, you can do that. There you go. Probably 35, maybe 40, 35. Yeah, I'll give you.
Stay on there, fella. Oh, girlie, big girl, come on, big girl. Wind it in a bit. Okay. Okay. It's great, isn't it? Didn't like that one, did you? Yeah, I noticed. And you need a proper knot, don't you? Okay, yeah, no worries. Yeah. I'm the same as you. I've tried to cheat and do less, and it don't work because you lose the fish, and it don't work then you're unhappy forever. Straight away. There's a little one. It ain't nothing there, it's gone. As soon as you mention the word dick, it off. Here you go. Haws, you call them, didn't you? Haws.
Okay, we don't want no more turtles. That's enough. I already know what the fucking turtle looks like. Damn, where's that big bastard? Son of a bitch.
At least you can catch yours properly, Nick. I can't catch mine properly, can I?
You don't want to picture of him, do you, Nick?
No.
No.
Piece of shit, let him go.
I love it. That's definitely, that's bigger than one eye, isn't it?
Big.
Yeah.
Look at his fucking head. His head's
I know, I noticed that, yeah.
You ain't biting me, you cunt.
See that, fella?